welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look an overall overview of a course called Generative AI Learning Path. This is a learning path that guides you through a curated collection of content on generative AI products and technologies. They start from the fundamentals of large language model to how to create and deploy generative AI solutions on Google Cloud. So this learning path consists of 10 courses. The first course is titled as Introduction to Generative AI. So this course is an introductory micro learning course on generative AI. So they basically explain what is generative AI, how it works, also describe generative AI model types, it describes the generative AI applications and how it differs from the traditional machine learning methods. This course is estimated to take around only 45 minutes of your time, and you will also find a quiz that you need to complete in order to get a certificate at the end of the course. So this is the very first course, guys. The second course is named Introduction to Large Language Models. This course explains what is large language model and also explores LLM use cases, what is prompt tuning, describes Google's Gen AI development tool. Similar to the first video, this course is estimated to take only of 45 minutes of your time. And here also you see a quiz that you need to pass. The third course is nothing but Introduction to Responsible AI. This course is again an introductory course where it aims to cover what is responsible AI is all about, and it also explains why it is important and how Google implements responsible AI in their products, and it also introduced Google's 7 AI principles. So in this course is basically, it talks more about how Google as an organization incorporate AI and what are their principles that they stand by. So this is a very informative course, guys. When I took this course, I really felt it very informative because we only think AI or large language model in terms of a technical perspective, but this course talks on how we need to take care of data, how you have to give importance on privacy, ethical activities, all that. So this course is really informative, guys. And this course also has a quiz that you need to pass to secure a badge. The fourth course, apparently they name it as a fourth course, but what I felt is the course called Generative AI Fundamental is a reiteration of what we have gone through the first three course. So this course again gives an elaboration on what is large language model, what is the AI, responsible AI is all about, and you will also have a quiz that you need to pass in order to secure a badge. The fifth course is all about Introduction to Image Generation. This is where it's getting interesting, guys. So people who like to get hands-on with the LLM models or anything in a practical world, this is the course that it offers. So this course is basically talks about diffusion models, and they also shows you what is the image generation space is. This course also talks about the real use cases for diffusion model. They also talk about how one can train and deploy them on Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is a tool by the Google org. And another important thing that I noticed here is they talk a lot on the text to image scenario, where you have an application where you give a text, it generates an image. So this is the whole idea of this course. And again, you have a quiz to pass to gain a badge. The sixth course is nothing but Encoder-decoder architecture. This course gives you a synopsis of encoder-decoder architecture, why it is powerful, and it also talks about the text-to-text translation, text summarization, and questioning answering mechanisms. So this course is also very important, guys. Encoder-decoder architecture, as a student, I felt the instructor has given a proper introductory level of explanation on what is encoder-decoder architecture and what are the use cases that can leverage this architecture and use as a product. This is the course where you have a lab walkthrough. So you will see an instructor explaining on one code and explaining different steps on developing an encoder-decoder architecture. With respect to the lab session, as an example, the instructor explains a simple implementation of the encoder-decoder architecture for poetry generation from the beginning. So this is a very informative course, guys. Although it's an introductory course, I feel this is You need to understand some sort of TensorFlow knowledge or Python knowledge in order to understand how the flow typically how the code flows. Again, you have to have attend a quiz wherein you have to in order to get a badge. The seventh course is nothing but attention mechanism. So it's titled as attention mechanism. This course will introduce you to the a mechanism called attention mechanism, a powerful technique that allows neural network to focus on specific parts, input sequences. So ideally, this course helps you in understanding or implementing how attention works and how it can be used in improving the performance of a variety of machine learning tasks, including machine translation, text summarization, and question answer mechanism. So in this course, they explain by a use case where it is a text translation from English to French. As similar to all the other courses, this course also have a quiz where you need to attend and pass for in order to get a badge. The eighth course is nothing but transformer models and BERT. This course introduces you to transformer models and BERT. BERT is nothing but bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. You learn their main components and such as self-attention mechanism, how it is used to build BERT models. In this course, you will also find a lab course. Also, you have a quiz. So similar to the earlier course that I mentioned, this lab explains to you the code flow of how to implement BERT model and how this can be used to solve certain use cases. So this is a very important course as well, guys. Ninth course is nothing but create image captioning models. So this course teaches you how to create image captioning model using deep learning techniques, and you'll also learn different components of image captioning models such as encoder-decoder architecture, how to train and evaluate your model. The perks of attending this course is that you get to create your own image captioning model as well. So in this course, you'll also again find a lab as well as a quiz that you need to attend to in order to complete your get a completion badge. So like I said, they again walk you through a code where how you can generate a captioning image captioning model. So this is definitely a useful course, guys. Although it's an introductory, it allows you to learn and come up with one project completion. The final 10th course is nothing but Introduction to Generative AI. This course introduces Generative AI Studio on Vertex AI that helps you to prototype and customize generative AI models so that you can use their capabilities on your application. In this course, it gives you an introductory level on what the tool looks like, how you can use the tool for your own purpose, and at the same time, since this is the 10th course and the final course, this course also gives you a link to a course review as well as reading material, and you have to also pass a quiz to finally get the badge. So that is all, guys, for the complete course structure of generative AI learning path. Now let me talk to you through my review on this course. So the first and foremost point is these are all introductory course, and I feel that these courses are meant for anybody who do not have any coding experience. However, when you reach end of the course, you will find there are lab materials, and if you are someone who wants to implement certain use cases based on your preferences, then you need to know code, guys. So the first 5 to 6 courses are purely theoretical. You understand what the instructors talk to you about, but the second half are basically practical courses. So that's the first point. You don't need prerequisite knowledge on learning the first few courses. However, the second part of the course is you need to have coding knowledge and some basic understanding on what is neural network, deep learning, and other techniques. The next point I want to mention here is these courses are never time consuming. So you can just complete each of these courses in a single day for each course. And as you might already seen in the video, I would have mentioned some of these courses only typically take 45 minutes of your day. So they are so easy in terms of time, and if you are someone who is working, you can literally take them when during your free hours, get to understand the concepts in an introductory level. The third point is I typically liked how they provided lab courses. I never thought they would Google as a company would give lab courses in a course that is introductory and free. So that's a good point here, guys. If this is a free course, you still get to learn coding from a good brand, and so that's the highlight of this course. Another point that I figured out, or I was interested in knowing more is that these videos that they present or that they take us through are also available on YouTube. So the lecture videos are available on Google Cloud Tech channel, and the lab videos are available on Quick Lab courses. I'll be providing the link in the description box, so you can find these videos on this channel as well for free of cost. The last and final point I would like to mention is these are self-learning course. You don't need to rush in order to complete the courses in a particular time frame. You still have your liberty to take these courses as per whenever you're free. So that is another advantage for working people, for professionals who are busy during their day. So yeah, these are the points that I needed to reflect on after taking this course. So that is all for the review, guys, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have taken the course, or if you have taken the course, how did you feel about this course. I would like to learn. It will be interesting to know from you as well. Until I catch you next time, bye.